All right, so we are going to be solving another interesting question on equivalent resistance under circuit analysis. All right, so the question says to find the equivalent resistance between the terminal A and B. All right, the question is very simple. So if you look at the above circuit clearly, you you are going to observe that 8 ohms is in series with 4 ohms, because the same current that enters into 8 ohms will be the same current that enters into what? 4 ohms, right? So it means that the resultance between the two, let's call it RT1, will be equals to 4 plus 8, which is equals to what? 12 ohms. All right, so we are going to be redrawing the circuit for us here. So we can therefore connect the circuit directly. So let's draw the diagram there. So here is our diagram. So you are going to see clearly that this 12 ohms is now in parallel with 6 ohms. So it means that our 12 ohms, let me write it here, 12 ohms is parallel to 6 ohms. All right, so let's call the resultance between them RT2. So it means that RT2 will be equals to 12 multiplied by 6 all over 12 plus 6. 12 multiplied by 6 is 72. Then 6 plus this is 18. So 72 divided by 18 is 12. So this is equals to 12 ohms. All right, so we have 12 ohms. So the combination of this and this is going to give us 12 ohms. So therefore means that we can clean, either we clean this or we clean this. So let's just clean this. All right. All right. So now, don't forget this is our point A, this is our point B. All right. So the equivalent resistance now, everything now will now be in series. And see the current that enter here will be the same that will enter here, will be the same that will enter here. So the equivalent resistance now will be equals to 4 plus 12 plus 8, and this will be equals to 12, that is 24 ohms. So the solution to this question is 24 ohms. I hope we understand this. Don't forget that we have an handwritten material on circuit analysis specially made for you for your personal consumption and for your better understanding and to enhance your horizon. So if you want this material to be sent across to you, you can send us a direct message on our WhatsApp or by our email. For you to do this, just go to our description. You are going to see the link to our WhatsApp and our email address. And peradventure today is your first time of coming across our content, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you will be the first to receive the notification. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And here we don't hold back knowledge, we share knowledge. So please, that is why it's very compulsory and very important for you to always share our video with your friends who might be in need of them. Thank you. Stay tuned for more questions.